Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Andrew and I'm currently starting an Amazon FBA business. My first product is going to be complete in 2 days, so today I thought I'd take you through the strategy I'm going to use to launch it. Okay, firstly for an update on the product. The units were finished on the 12th of March, but unfortunately the card insert that's going in it was 10 centimeters off and it looked completely wrong, so they've had to redo that and that's added an extra week onto it. So now they should be done for the 19th of March. 20th of March I'm hoping to have an inspection done. 21st of March I'm going to pay the remaining balance, as long as the inspection comes back alright of course, and I'm going to have the goods shipped to the port. 30th of March is when I hope for them to arrive in the UK. I'm having some shipped by air, some shipped by sea, so the air shipment will come in hopefully around the 30th of March and it might be another 2 or 3 weeks for the sea shipment. And between the 3rd and 5th of April is when I hope to begin selling them on Amazon. Okay, so for a little bit about the product, it's in the home and kitchen niche. I've ordered 1,000 units at a cost of £3.67 per unit. The selling price I'm aiming for is £19.99, but I could push this up to around £24, £25 I think. My goal profit per unit at a selling price of £19.99 is £6.12 at a 31% profit margin. Okay, I'll just break down how I came to that figure. Firstly, like I say, the unit cost is £3.67. For shipping, I'm estimating around £1. Now, of course, the air shipment and the sea shipment are going to cost different amounts. Obviously, the air shipment's going to be more expensive, but on average, it should be around £1 a unit. Okay, next up I've allowed £300 for the inspection, photo, sample and the launch, and averaged out over 1,000 units, that's 30p a unit. Next up I've got to pay duties and that works out at 17p a unit. The import VAT on each unit is 97p and at a selling price of £19.99, the Amazon fees and VAT on top of those fees is £5.76. I'm also allowing £2 per unit for PPC spend. So the 10% total cost of sales basically just means for every unit I sell, I'm allowing 10% of that sale value to go towards PPC. Okay, so when I take the sale price of £19.99 and take away all them costs, I'm left with a £6.12 profit per unit. Now, I was planning on starting to sell this product in January, but I was unable to, and I explained in a video, I'll link at the top right if you want to go see that. But essentially, since I'm going to be launching it in April time now, my launch strategy has changed a bit. Firstly, the market for my product has become slightly more competitive. A few new listings have come in, and the ones that were already there have gained a few more reviews. So my launch strategy is going to be a bit more aggressive to account for this. Okay, this is not set in stone, but just to give you a rough idea for what kind of launch strategy I'm going to be using. Days 1 to 3, I'm just going to have friends and family buy it, just to get some reviews, say 3 to 5. I'm also going to be running PPC at £10 a day, just an automatic campaign, just to get some ideas for the kind of keywords that are going to be profitable, and also just to get some experience with using PPC. Days 4 to 10, I'm going to be doing a launch with Viral Launch, and they've recommended that I give 100 units away over 7 days at 90% off. And I'm also going to continue to run PPC at £10 a day. Okay, so days 11 and onwards, so after the launch, I'm just going to continue to run PPC at £10 plus a day. I'll do a more in-depth video on PPC and my strategy for it once I begin selling. Now, this might seem like a overly aggressive launch, but I just want to give my product the best chance of ranking for its main keywords. Also, as I'm ordering 1,000 units, it gives me more room to play with the launch and still be able to make a profit on this order. Now, if you're anything like me when I first got started, you're probably thinking, why would someone invest thousands of pounds into a product only to then just give away a load of units? Well, you see, the thing with Amazon is they base their search results predominantly on sales velocity. So say, for example, Amazon has 2 products competing for the same search term. The main thing they use to determine which they show first on search results are the number of sales the product is getting. If one is selling 300 a month and the other is selling 30 a month, they're going to show the one that is selling 300 a month first, because that means Amazon is going to make more money. So a launch allows you to artificially inflate your sales for around a week to 10 days to basically trick Amazon into thinking that your product is selling really well. Will then hopefully lead to Amazon ranking your product for one of the main keywords. I think it's important to remember that a launch is an investment, so you're not going to be making money on the launch. But what it will do is get your product ranking for high demand search terms so that you will start to generate organic sales. So over the lifetime of your product, you'll be able to generate a lot more sales if you are, say, the first result for your main key term as opposed to the 10th. Okay, thanks for watching. If you're interested in hearing more about my FBA journey so far, I'll link my first video that goes through it here. And if you're interested in hearing the product research method I used to find this first product, then I'll link a video up here that goes through that. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day and I'll catch you in the next one.